Hi, this is Michael Bertov, PR and Marketing Coordinator for Roccat, and we are live from Computex. And we would like to introduce our brand new keyboard, the Ryos MK-FX. As some of you might know, we already have three mechanical keyboards, the Ryos MK, Ryos MK Glow, and Ryos MK Pro. But that one is the very first one from Roccat to have Cherry MX brown RGB switches. What does it mean? It means you will be able to have 16 millions of colors and any combinations, animations or games, lighting effects thanks to the Ryos MK-FX. So we still have high quality Cherry MX keys, two processors, one for macros, one for lighting, so you are absolutely sure not having any delays on macros because you have a very complex lighting animation and vice versa. We also have this very big wrist rest, which allows you to play even longer and still in total comfort. We also have right here some audio jack in case of you would like to plug in your gaming headset. What to say more about it? It's pretty much like the Ryos MK Pro, which was already our ultimate keyboard, but with Cherry MX RGB lighting. It will be available later this year for a price of 189 euro. Of course, it will be with Allround-PC integrated, so as like our brand new mouse, the NIFs, you will have instant lighting effect according to your in-game actions. So let's say you're playing League of Legends and you're about to die, well, bam, your keyboard will blink in red and you will know even more that, well, you have to do something right now. And so you will really have like more than a gaming desktop. You will have like animations and like kind of like the Ambilight on Philips TV. You will have a complete gaming experience all over your desktop. So that was Roccat at Computex. Thanks.